Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to find jobs applied for on LinkedIn. To find jobs you applied for on LinkedIn, we have 5 steps for you. First, open LinkedIn and sign in. Go to linkedin.com on your browser. Make sure to sign in with your credentials. Click on the Jobs tab. On the top navigation bar, click Jobs to open the job search section. Go to My Jobs. On the left hand side, click My Jobs to see a list of saved and applied jobs. Click on the Applied tab. Under My Jobs, choose the Applied tab to view jobs you have already applied for. Here, you'll see the company name, job title, and application date. Check application status and follow up. Some job listings show an application status, for example, viewed or rejected. If you haven't received a response in 5 to 7 days, send a follow-up message to the recruiter or hiring manager. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.